I want to talk to you, Cheryl, about this diet that mimics fasting. It's a recent diet program that talks about like fasting about like 4 or 5 days in a row every couple of months to, reboot your system, get rid of all the toxins. And, is it a good idea, bad idea? Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the study.
Yeah, it was a study done at the University of Southern California, and basically, like you said, it was kind of meant to reboot a person's body by, getting rid of damaged cells and helping to regenerate new ones, because what they found, they did the study in middle-aged mice. They were fed this diet that mimicked fasting, that they found that these mice actually lived longer, and they had less body fat on them, they had fewer risk of cancer, their bone density was better, so then they tried this in humans. And the way it works is called the fasting mimicking diet. And for 25 days out of the month, you would eat like you normally would. And then for 5 days out of the month, you would go on this fasting mimicking diet. And day one, you would consume 1,090 calories, and it's got it broken down into specific macronutrient percentages of protein, carbohydrate, fat. And then days 2 through 5, you drop the calories a little further down to only 725 calories a day, and again with specific percentages of protein, carbohydrate, and fat.
So let me review this. So let's say like the 30 days of a month. This is the new diet plan. 25 days you have normal diet, and then for 5 days, the first day is about 1,000 calories, and the 4 days after that is about 750 calories, mimicking a real fasting kind of diet. Go on.
Okay, yeah, and keep in mind too that a true fast is where you pretty much completely abstain from all food, but you're allowed to drink liquids, obviously. But what they found that with a true fast, it puts a stress on the body. Plus, it slows down your metabolism because your body's thinking you're going into starvation mode. You're not eating anything, so everything slows down. And so this is supposed to mimic like a fast diet, but not be quite so stressful on the body then, like a complete fast would. But this is also a diet, too, that I'm not encouraging people to run out and go onto this diet because, again, it's very specific on the percentages of protein, carbohydrate, and fat and on the calorie levels. And it really needs to be under the supervision of a doctor, again, because they have very certain types of foods that they fed their test subjects on. They were given like different. It was basically a plant-based diet.
So Cheryl? What happens in the first couple of days? You start, I guess, burning some fat, clearing your liver, and then after a while, when the reserve is down, then you're going to go to the other currencies. You're going to start burning muscles and use your proteins and others to burn calories. So long term, this can't be good for patients.
Well, yeah, I'm not, and there are certain people, obviously, you would not want to put this on. So, again, this is only something you would do under the supervision of the doctor. And the reason why, what the purpose of it for people was that they found that it helped to help reduce or it seemed to reduce their risk for things like, aging, certain types of cancer, cardiovascular disease. It also helped to bring for people with diabetes, their blood glucose levels seem to get better. So, but again, I normally do not advocate fasting diets whatsoever because of the fact that they do put a stress in the body to slow your metabolism down. You can lose muscle mass. Right. You do not want to lose muscle mass. And then once you go off the diet, the chance of you regaining the weight that you lost is pretty high.
Probably lost a lot of water, which you're going to gain back.
Yeah.